Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're reviewing these awesome Vetmasters C2 Coupe vent window assemblies. So be sure to stick around.
These are one of our most recent parts that we're really pleased with.
Yeah, I love these ones.
These are flying off the shelf.
So the convertible, you make the casting. Do you make like the pivot or the insert or any other?
6 months away from having an entire assembly, just like what I'm getting ready to show you here.
Okay. That'll be big too.
This is our Coupe assembly. This was a very needed thing.
Absolutely.
These were getting worn out and hard to find.
And if you could find them, you're going to spend an arm and a leg, and it's...
We just take an arm for these. But that's pretty much ready.
I got an extra one. Those are, yeah, I put those in that 67 I did overkill, and they fit perfect.
Super.
I rebuilt the set on my 63, and they're not as straightforward to rebuild as you would think, because you got to take that rivet out, and that's
the job. And
that's a lot of work.
Your weld done. Your weld's supposed to be indistinguishable.
Yeah. I have a pair of Vetmasters vent windows here, which are for sale on my website for the Coupe. These are full assemblies, ready to go. So these are 100% brand new. We have new tinted green glass, new seals, both this seal and the back seal. The upright, like the pillar, is all brand new, along with the stainless that goes in both the front and the back, which is often bent. And then one of the most important pieces is the cradle here. This is the piece that's always messed up. Either the spot welds break on it or they get damaged, but these are often missing. This is a very important piece, obviously new. The hinge is correct. It has the mounting screws, so it's ready to go into your car. Has the stud at the bottom as well. So the only thing you need to do to put this in your car is to put the fuzzy that goes in here, which all your big companies like Zip and Corvette Central and stuff sell those and generally have those in stock. Just got to put this in your car, hook up the regulator, and you're good to go. Now you may have to do a little tweaking just to get them to close, because sometimes these frames weren't designed to be the strongest compared to the convertible. The door gives it a lot of support, so you may have to finagle it, adjust it at the bottom and the top just to get the window to work right, as well as the vent window to work right. But these are really nice pieces. I have a pair of these. I think I have a pretty early set in overkill, the 67 Corvette we did. So these are really nice pieces. If you're interested in these, head over to my website. If you want to have clear glass, or you want to go with the smoked black glass, or you want date coated glass, you can always pop these out and put in another window. It's not that difficult because it has a little rubber channel in here that holds the glass. So you just kind of work the glass out and you can put whatever in there that you want. But this is all ready to go. Super nice assembly. So if you're interested in these, head over to my website. We have the convertible upper part of the frame, not a full assembly like this. We have a bunch of other reproduction parts. I have windshield spacers, t-shirts, hats, stickers, and we have a full supply of brand new reproduction birdcage parts. The detail on these vent windows is awesome. They have nice plating on them. They have the correct screws, correct hardware, and they're designed in the exact same way that the original ones were. Everything is correct. The mounting on these is interesting. All these little brackets that they have on here. You can see the little angle bracket down here is riveted on the way that it should be. As long as this guy, they just did a really good job accurately reproducing these. And these are a really nice piece. And I noticed a lot of big box stores say they're back ordered, but we have them ready to go. So these things are really nice, and this will be a nice addition to your car. If you've done C2s, you know that these are kind of tedious. If you've done restorations on these cars, you know a lot of times you have to drill out this rivet to get this out to do the full disassembly on these to kind of get in here and put new seals in. Whenever I restored the vent windows on my 63, I did a little series on that. I did have to drill out the rivet to replace one of these cradles. My tab broke off, so I replaced that, and when we had it apart, we put all new seals in it. And that was a tedious job. We put new rubber in here to hold the vent window glass in. That was a lot of work. These are tedious. They're when you get them apart, they're a little flimsy. It's easy to bend stuff. It's easy to mess up the chrome, but you can see everything is in really nice shape, ready to go. So these are pretty easy to install. honestly. So if you have some that are damaged, or you just want to sell your old ones and get some new ones, these are a nice quality part. So if you want to get a set of these vent windows, head over to my website. I have the coupe assemblies for sale. I also have convertible, the upper portion of the frame, not the whole assembly. We have t-shirts, hats, we have windshield spacers, we have a bunch of C1 parts, some C3 parts, and I also have a full selection of birdcage parts in stock and ready to ship, that I am officially a dealer for them as well. So if you're interested in any of those and you want to show your support for me, consider buying them from me instead of some of the big stores. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think about these vent windows and about some of the other reproduction parts that we have, and what type of parts would you like to see, and would you consider buying parts from me? Let me know. It's always helpful to get feedback. So I got to get back to the garage. I got a lot of work to do, and I'll catch you guys later.